Good morning. Today we'll be talking about expansion using Pascal triangle. Expansion using Pascal triangle. Talking about expansion using Pascal triangle. Then before we continue, we look at the Pascal's triangle. The Pascal triangle is derived. The Pascal triangle is used. The Pascal triangle is used for coefficients of expansion and it is given below. To use for coefficient of expansion and it is given below 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1, and so on and so forth. So this one is for power 2. This is for power 2. This is for power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6, power 7. So we are going to take examples using the Pascal triangle. Examples. So we have expand the following using the Pascal triangle. This Pascal's triangle. Expand the following using the Pascal triangle. A, we have x plus 3 raised to power 4. B, we have 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So we have solutions. So the first one we have x plus 3 raised to power 4. So if you are expanding this, the first one inside the bracket we have the highest power, then the other one we have power of 0. As this one decreases, as the power of x decreases, the power of 3 increases. So this is equals to x raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 0, plus x would be decreasing by 1, 3 will be increasing. So here will be x raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 1, plus x raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, plus x raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 3, plus x raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 4. So the power of 3 will increase from 0 to 4, while the power of x will decrease from 4 to 0. So now we continue. X raised to power 4 is x raised to power 4, bracket 3 raised to power 0 is 1, plus x raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 1, plus x raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2 is 9, 3 times 3 9, plus x raised to power 1 is x, 3 raised to power 3, 3 times 3 times 3, 27, plus x raised to power 0 is 1, 3 raised to power 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. So we'll go to the next page. We'll continue. So here becomes x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 3 plus 9x raised to power 2 x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 3 plus 9x raised to power 2 raised to power 2 plus 27x plus 81. So we will now multiply each term using the Pascal's triangle, the Pascal's coefficients, using the Pascal coefficient for power 4. In brackets, we have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. This is the Pascal coefficient. So here will be equals to 1 x raised to power 4 plus 4 3x raised to power 3 plus 9x raised to power 2 plus 4 27x plus 181. So if we multiply x raised to power 4 plus 12x raised to power 3 plus 54x raised to power 2 plus 108x squared plus 81. So this is our final answers. So we'll go to number 2. 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So we'll do the same thing. 2x raised to power 5. We'll start from the highest power here. Minus 1 raised to power 0 plus 2x raised to power 4. The first one will be decreasing, the other one will be increasing. Minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2x raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 1 minus 1 raised to power 4 plus 2x raised to power 0 minus 1 raised to power 5. So we are going to multiply. 2x raised to power 5 will give us 32x raised to power 5 into 1 plus 16x raised to power 4 into minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 8x raised to power 3 into 1 plus 4x raised to power 2 into minus 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2x raised to power 0 is 1 into minus 1. So here will give us 32x raised to power 5 minus 16x raised to power 4 plus 8x raised to power 3 plus 4x raised to power, which is minus 4x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 1. So we are going to multiply with the Pascal coefficients. So multiply each term, multiply each term with the Pascal's coefficient for power 5. So for power 5 we have 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 from the Pascal's triangle. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here will become 1 into 32x5 plus minus 5 into 16x4 plus 10 into 8x3 plus 10 into 4x2 plus 5 into 2x plus 1 into minus 1. So our final answer will be 32x raised to power 5 minus 80x raised to power 4 plus 80x raised to power 3 plus 40x raised to power 2 plus 10x minus 1. So this is the expansion for 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next video.